What now?
What are they even protesting?
We don't have time for this.
All right.
Thank you, Truck Monkey.
Friendly faces and a great selection. At Route 6 Automall Kia, you can rely on no monkey business.